minding my own business. My business is being minded. And I just got a phone call that the main event of Loco In Joco has been changed. Who changes the main event? Omega changes the main event. And it's now not just a tag team, oh no. It's a 6-man match. On one side, the Dynasty with the one-man riot, Zane Dawson. And on the other side, the Hurricane, my partner Matt Hardy. And now we're joined by former WWE and TNA World Heavyweight Champion, the Enigma, Jeff Hardy. Loco In Joco, we're gonna burn it down.